Hi, good evening. The book that I have today with me is a very sweet, yet a very touching and a very sad book, I can say. And before I start the review of the book, let me read these lines for you. And the lines are: The more love I give you, the more love I give you, the emptier I feel. I think I'll only be okay again when I ask you to leave. Wow, a beautiful line. And this has been written by Ritvik Singh. So let's check out in this video that should we read this pretty book or not. Let's start reviewing the book. And the book is Thank You for Leaving by Ritvik Singh. So, what was my experience to this book? Guys, thankful for someone to leave you. Isn't it very ironical कि ये कैसे हो सकता है? Yeah. So this was the main reason, and I think this is the title, even because of which you are here, and because of which this book is in my hand. So a feeling of gratitude for something that's not that easy. That's something uneasy. That's something distressful. That's something grief में आपको लेके चला जाता है. So ऐसी चीज के लिए ग्रैटिट्यूड शो करना, ऐसी चीज के लिए थैंकफुल हो जाना कैसे हो सकता है और क्या हम ये कर सकते हैं? तो हम इस बुक पे अपना हाथ रखते हैं, इस बुक को लेकर आते हैं और इस बुक को पढ़ते हैं कि लेट वेयर दिस बुक टेकिंग मी. So before I tell you that where this book took me, let me tell you one thing that from my heart to everybody who read these books and who are the ones who are writing this book. पता है क्या, बहुत डेप्थ लगता है अपने इमोशंस को, अपने इतने इंटेंस इमोशंस को. इट इज नॉट अ फिक्शन, it is not a biography, it is not something that's a ghost story or something a kind of a thriller or something which is entitled to your cognition. No, it's something very deep, it's something very intense. And how can somebody write that? So इस चीज के लिए सबसे पहले मैं आपको, before I review the book, please listen to me and try to connect with me कि पहली बार तो being heartbroken, hats off from my side, you have my heart, lots of hug, guys, because that itself makes you strong. I always tell my students that ek bar that heartbreak has to happen, because if that heartbreak has not happened, you will not grow in life. To know yourself, growth doesn't mean financial growth. Growth means lot of many things. To grow as a person, to understand today, what I am today, I'm pretty sure I was not 6 months back. Forget 2 years back, right? I was not 6 months back. So you're evolving yourself. So evolution तभी होता है जब आपका दिल टूटता है और आप वो जो मिरर है जो आप यहाँ लेके घूम रहे हैं, आप अपनी तरफ कर लेते हैं और आप देखते हैं यार, where was we wrong, where was I wrong, where did I go wrong, what is losing in me, was I the same person years back, what am I the person today which I have manifested when I wanted to be in my teenage? No, what has this made it, right? इससे हम क्या बन चुके हैं? So सबसे पहली चीज तो hats off कि आपका दिल टूटा, you've got a heartbreak. Second thing, when you got a heartbreak, you took a pen and you started to write, right? You started to write out your emotions. It needs strength, it needs a lot of strength. It's not that easy. People cannot even speak out to people at that moment, and if you started to write, that itself shows a lot of courage. And lastly, you had the courage to let the world read those moments, to let the world connect with those vulnerable stuff of your life. Few days back, I write a lot of poems and all. So few days back, there was this beautiful piece of my writing, and I said a friend of mine to read it, and she was going through it, and I had my eyes on her, and my heart was pounding. कि what she must be thinking about me, like वो क्या सोच रही होगी कि मैंने ये emotions को feel किया अपने life में, या मेरे emotions का depth इतना था कि मैं ये लिख पाई. So when today I read this, जहाँ मेरे emotions का depth उतना नहीं है, but एक time पे था, तो जब मैं देखती हूँ कि इस moment पे मैंने ये लिखा है, मैं शायद ये अभी ना लिख पाऊँ. So just imagine ki how deeper it is. Have you ever thought by reading such authors ki yaar, what this author must have gone through to write this? It needs a lot of courage, and सिर्फ लिखना नहीं है. To publish it out in a form of a book or write up or a post, it matters. It matters. You are letting your heart out to the world. आप अपने सबसे vulnerable emotions को सबके सामने रख रहे हैं, इसके लिए बहुत बड़ा courage चाहिए. So सबसे पहले, so hats off and salute to such writers who are doing this beautiful work, letting the people help कि यार, thank you for leaving. You can't be thankful for somebody to leave you. This is a great contribution, I'd say, in the world of healing, in the world of self love. It's the greatest contribution. So first thing is thankful to I'm literally thankful to such writers who are literally doing this, and Ritvik is one of them, who wrote this beautiful piece. And when I read this book, Ritvik has connected the love of any form to the love of mother. माँ के प्यार से कनेक्ट किया है. एंड माँ के प्यार से ज़्यादा निश्चल कोई प्यार होता नहीं है, जैसे कि हम सब जानते हैं. सो बिकॉज दे आर अनकंडीशनल. अनकंडीशनल का मतलब बहुत बड़ा होता है. कभी टाइम मिलेगा तो विल टॉक ऑन टू इट. सो हर लव इज अनकंडीशनल एंड ही वॉज कनेक्टिंग द लव ऑफ द लवर टू द लव ऑफ द मदर. सो मुझे ये लगा कि मैं कुछ पन्नों पे कनेक्ट कर पा रही हूँ प्यार के साथ, और कुछ पन्नों पे कनेक्ट उसी समय दूसरे पन्ने पे कनेक्ट कर पा रही हूँ माँ के साथ. So there was this conflict in my own emotions. I was not at stay when I was reading the book. मेरे emotions conflict कर रहे थे, क्योंकि जरूरी नहीं है जो प्यार के मायने आपके लिए हो वो मेरे लिए हो या किसी और के लिए भी हो. Right? So but they have beautiful lines. Of course, even at one page, if you're connecting to your mother or your lover, you'll stay there, and that will make you emotional, because this boy has written this with so much of deeper feelings. So this book has a huge fan base out there on Instagram and everywhere. This book has a huge fan base because Ritvik is also an author of this famous book called as I Don't Love You Anymore, although I have not gone through the book. And this book I have gone through. It took me 2 to 3 hours to read the book with emotions, sitting down and trying to connect with him. मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा समय लगा नहीं. मैं सिर्फ इतना ही कहना चाहूँगी कि अगर आप बहुत फ्रेश वन है इनटू दिस हार्ट ब्रेकिंग जर्नी एंड आपको लग रहा है कि यार एक सपोर्ट मुझे मिल जाए एक राइटअप के थ्रू, तो वो ये बुक है. बट अगर आप एक ऐसे इंसान हैं जिनके पास समय नहीं है और आप सिर्फ थोड़ा सा कुछ पीस पढ़ना चाहते हैं तो जिससे आपको अच्छा फील हो जाए, तो ये बुक नहीं है. दिस कैन मेक यू सैड. दिस कैन मेक यू सैड. एंड व्हाई इज द टाइटल कॉल्ड एज थैंक यू फॉर लिविंग? किसी के जाने से आप हाउ कैन यू बी हैविंग दिस फीलिंग ऑफ ग्रैटिट्यूड? सो लेट मी एक्सप्लेन यू दैट. When you read these books will give you a mirror where you will be meeting your own emotions. So जब आप अपने खुद के emotions के साथ मिलते हैं तो आपको ये समझ में आता है, कई बार आप एज अ पर्सन उस चीज़ को रिलेट नहीं कर पाते, पर जब आप इन किताबों को पढ़ते हैं जहाँ पर आप अपने इमोशंस लोगों से नहीं कह पा रहे हैं, ये किताबें आपको उनसे रूबरू करवाती. तो जब आप अपने खुद के इमोशंस को समझते, ओके दिस वाज मी इन लव. So when you understand this ki how stronger you are as a person for doing this, for loving something, for loving somebody, something, or anybody of your, even if your family member, that you have this heart to do this, to love this deep. So somewhere or the other, you need to love yourself. Self-love का पहला step होता है, right? To be thankful, to have a feeling of gratitude for something that's not great in life. Because that allows you to grow. That allows you to see a version of you which you have never seen. That makes you more humble as a person. आज जिन सिनेरियोज पे मुझे बिल्कुल गुस्सा नहीं आता, कल वो सिनेरियोज पे कुछ सालों पहले I used to lash out at people. I used to thrash out. I'll just degrade people, यार. But now when I see myself on the same situations, calm, very calm. So I think that these situations make you humble as a person. They let you grow as a person. And why not? अगर ये सब नहीं होगा, so आप कैसे ऐसे होंगे? So that is why these experiences are needed in life. So that's what this book is also telling you at the last pages, that this is so important to undergo all these kinds of feelings. So yeah, thank you for leaving. We'll be getting 3.5 out of 5 for me. And of course, I recommend this book to you. But if you... I know my viewers are from multiple genres. If you're not from the genre of this kind of book, please proceed with other books as well. But if you want to read about heartbreaks, and I personally would not... I have read multiple deeper books than this one. So yeah, I can recommend this to you if you're a freshman into it. Not somebody who is a pro into healing and who is letting others heal as well. So yeah. So thank you so much, and hats off to Ritvik as well for doing this beautiful work. Till then, please, bye-bye, take care, stay connected, stay happy, and be strong. Yeah, bye.